So that is one thing that, if someone's blind, like if they're trying to see something and they're holding it up close and they're trying to read like this, it's a sign that they're having trouble seeing. Helen Keller, she was born in 1880, but she was born, was blind and deaf. She went blind and deaf in 1882 from a fever. Anne Sullivan came from Chicago to be her tutor. She taught her to communicate. She then went on to graduate college and helped found another college, and wrote books. You guys want to think, oh, I can't see, I can't. Here's someone who is blind and deaf that graduated college, started a college, like kind of cool. All right, so looking at this, what is light? What are some sources of light around us? What are opaque, transparent, and translucent objects? What is a light wave? Okay, so this is the second part. Electromagnetic radiation can be described as a stream of photons. The difference between radio waves, visible light, gamma is the amount of energy. Gamma rays has lots of energy coming at you. Where radio waves are longer, they don't have as much energy. Oh, look, hey. Microwaves have a little more energy than radio waves. Gamma and cosmic rays have the highest energy and are the deadliest. That's why they use it to try to kill cancer cells. Okay, quiz. Just write this down. See how you do. Okay. See, even talking, making faces is zeros. All right. Question 1. Unlike light waves, sound waves cannot travel through what? Is it air, water, or a vacuum? Vacuum. Actually, I'm not going to go over the answers now. I'm going to go over them at the in class. Jojo the Wolf Boy's family hung special curtains in their house to completely block out the light. These curtains would be opaque, translucent, or transparent. An object appears blue because it reflects light waves of all colors, reflects light waves of blue, absorbs light waves of blue. Primary colors of light can be combined to form black light, white light, or ultraviolet light. What is the acronym to remember the 7 colors of the rainbow? Miss Nurk? Every good boy does 5, or Roy G. Biv. Both sound and light waves can be absorbed, broken, or eaten by JoJo for a snack. Cell phones use this part of the EM spectrum. Is it radio waves, microwaves, or UV waves? The pigment melanin provides skin, hair, and eyes with color. There is a condition called blank where people have no melanin and are very white. Is it albinoism, achromia, heterochromia, or vitiligo? Explain how the difference in the speed of light and sound causes us to see lightning and then hear thunder. Talked about that before. Are people who are colorblind blind? Tell me what you understand about this medical condition. How do people get it? Who is more likely to get it? Extra credit here. Name 2 people on Earth. No 2 people on Earth see color in quite the same way. How do you think this affects going shopping for clothes? Paint. A car. If the shoppers are perceiving the colors differently. Think about the dress. Remember the gold, white, blue, black dress? Think about it that way. Here's some pictures that kind of help explain the electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, radio waves are tall as buildings. Microwaves are about the size of a human. This is in my way. Infrared are about a honeybee. Visible light can be a pinhead. Protozoans. Ultraviolet is molecules. Wow, I don't even know what I was saying, y'all. X-ray is about the size of an atom, and gamma is the atomic nucleus. That's the thing that makes up the atom. Okay, longer wavelength gets shorter. Don't forget longest to shortest. Another picture that kind of explains it, shows you examples, talks about the frequency, talks about how much energy it has. Notice it's to the negative powers, length, etc. Question